BTT brings you a range of voice and data solutions to change the way you communicate. Unified Communications lets you merge all of your discussions into a single manageable interface. It allows staff in different offices and those on the move to stay in the loop. It can make real savings in terms of both money and time. Business phone lines and calls are the lifeblood of any business, and BTT can find you a suitable solution. Our range goes through PSTN analog lines, through ISDN options, and into high-capacity IP services. We cut through the jargon to bring you the answer to your telephonic needs. Connectivity and networking is vital, so your business isn't left behind. A reliable connection allows you to provide a consistent service for your team and customers. From ADSL connections to fibre broadband, fibre to the cabinet and EvoNet connections, BTT has solutions which range in speed and capacity. Cloud-based solutions remove most CapEx costs and space constraints for enterprises. Gain the ability to scale up or down your capacity as required. Your data is safe in the cloud, and it provides business continuity solutions. Business mobility is key in the 21st century workspace. Connected devices boost productivity by allowing working at home or while traveling. BTT's partnerships with major mobile suppliers mean you can get everything you need for your mobile workforce. Wireless networks and network security allow you to remove cable spaghetti but retain confidentiality. BTT uses a centrally managed wireless LAN and intelligent VPN software for mobiles. Context awareness means data is only viewed by approved people. Discover more about how BTT can provide business solutions for you and change the way you communicate.